This video mainly introduces the YunYin Spring Drop vending machine. In a busy city, there is a 24-hour guardian. YunYin Intelligent Vending Machine. We support customization of multiple appearance designs, rotated screen video and image advertisements, multiple payment methods to meet your different needs. Just click gently. The desired product is right in front of you. You can view the details of the product and support the setting of multiple promotional activities such as the second half price. It's very fast and convenient. Your shopping experience will change forever. The cargo channel is adjustable and compatible with various packaging products. Double-layer hollow heating glass, no fogging. Pre-embedded heating wire in the door body to prevent condensation on the door panel. Compressor temperature control setting can be remotely adjusted temperature. The integrated foam box body provides better heat insulation effect. Anti-theft pickup port design is safer for goods. Infrared grading detection provides more accurate feedback on the dispensing status of goods. Every purchase is a pleasant experience. For more product inquiries, please call YunYin Technology.